Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. February 6th. We do have the markets retracting here today. Corn down 6.5 cents right now. Beans down 12, with wheat down about 4.5. So we've got this break right now. We had beans go up and try to test that $15 area, and now starting to break back, seeing a little bit of profit taking. And then corn and wheat, really yesterday, they just weren't able to find traction, and the markets are breaking back here again today. But a lot of light. There's extreme light volume so far this morning, so we'll see. But some of the bigger stories, some of the stories that we've been talking about for a while, the rain in Argentina, the rain for Argentina and Brazil, they're going to continue to get some rain. Looks like they've increased rainfall again. So it looks like this concern that we've had and the reasons on why the market has been rallying, things are starting to shift. That was something the bulls had used to just drive the markets higher. Now all of a sudden they are getting the rain. They're getting some rains when they need it. So that's going to be looked at maybe as a little bit negative right now. Also, we've got more rain for the West here in the States. So the Western Corn Belt looks like it should be getting some rain as well, maybe to ease the tensions here, and then of course this talk of lack of moisture. So every little bit helps right now, and I think the market's going to look at that though as a little bit negative as well. We've got a report coming up here on Friday, and USDA is going to come out. We're going to see carryout numbers once again. Corn expecting to see an increase in carryouts. With beans maybe staying about where it is to maybe even seeing that tighten up a little bit, since we do have demand yet for beans, and we've seen some pretty good demand on beans. But as far as some of these outside markets today, the dollar up 32 cents. So finding some strength. We've got a good rally this week for the dollar. And if you take a look at the dollar, what happens to the energies? Well, crude oil down $1.30 today. So it's been a while since we've seen putting together a couple days of I guess, lower trade here for crude. We've gotten up to this $98 level. Things are starting to break back a little bit, but overall the trend is still higher. We're still holding support for crude, so be careful with that. It seems like it could be down early in the morning. By the end of the session, looks a lot different, but we are seeing a setback here today, mostly with the dollar trading higher. As far as cattle, fat cattle up 10 cents right now. Very sloppy trade. Box beef, though, came in pretty strong yesterday. Choice up $1.57. Select up 71 cents. But no cash trade yet. Not expecting to see anything here today either. Probably going to keep the cattle trading pretty sloppy. A lot of back and forth trade. I don't see a lot of movement until we get some kind of news here to push it in either direction. But box beef, though, it was strong. So look for this cash market and see what kind of momentum we can build off of that. As far as the hogs, down 35 here today. Lower pork demand mixed in with lower cash trade. If you look at last week, hogs rallied $5 last week, and already this week, cash hogs have taken 3 of those back. So a lot of adjusting there, and we're finding the futures do the same thing. So we are a little lower right now, down about 35. Typically, we do see this cash market stay strong. So maybe on these pullbacks, we still can see some kind of support. But watch the cash market. That's going to be king here today. We've got our Allendale Road Series. We're going to be out in your neck of the woods. If you're near these areas and can make these conferences, please go on our website and register. It's free. These are Outlook conferences that we're going to come out by you, kind of give some ideas of what's going to happen here this year. But we're going to be in Watertown, South Dakota, Davenport, Nebraska, Mankato, Minnesota, and then we've got 2 that we're doing in Riverside, Iowa. But check the dates on those or give us a call. If you're near those areas and are able to make that, go online, register, and it's a free conference for you, and there'll be food provided as well. So, but give us a call. Any questions that you guys have today, you can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll talk to you a little later.